welcome back. Now we are going to start the process by using ChatGPT in order to generate the script for our video. Now because we are relying on Pictory as the AI in order to do part of our screen selection, we're not going to ask ChatGPT at this point to assist us by giving us scene information. What we're going to do is to ask ChatGPT to give us information that we can use in order to create the video. So we're going to write in our title into this area. It's a good idea to ask the chatbot if there is any other information that it needs in order to give you the answer. And so once we have our clarifying question, we'll then click enter. Now it is a good idea to answer the chatbot from the questions that it has for you. And then once you answer those questions, you can then follow through with your query to get the script for your video. Now, as you can see, the chatbot gave us information that's not necessarily in the format in which we want. What we really need for this specific video creator is to have a narrative, almost as if it is an article. The takeaway from this process is that you'll want to iterate with the chatbot to get the output in a way that you'll be able to use it inside of the video creator that you are using. And so that is what we are going to do. So now that we have our script, we are now going to be ready to take our script and to move into our base video creator. Now again, for the sake of this course and the sake of this video, we're going to take this script and move it into Pictory. You will take your script and you will move it into the base video creator that you have chosen. If you are still working through the trial version, you'll still want to undertake the very same process that we are taking. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.